What is bandwidth? Bandwidth is the maximum capacity of a network link. Think of it like the width of a pipe that water can flow through. The wider the pipe, the more data can flow at once. T1 connection, max bandwidth. A T1 line is a dedicated digital connection that carries up to 1.544 megabits per second of traffic between two locations. Think of it as a 1.5 Mbps pipe. All traffic must flow through this fixed width. If you try to send more than 1.544 Mbps, traffic will be delayed or handled with KO's policies. What happens when traffic exceeds bandwidth? When demand goes above the limit? A quality of service (QoS) mechanism decides what to do with the excess traffic. The two most common are traffic shaping, smooth it out. Traffic shaping queues excess packets and delays them so traffic flows at or below the set bandwidth limit. Traffic arrives at the router. If the rate is greater than the limit, excess packets go into a buffer. Packets leave the queue at the allowed rate. Output looks smooth and controlled. Think of it like waiting in line. You don't lose your place, but you wait until it's your turn. Traffic policing, drop or remark excess. It monitors the traffic rate and drops or marks packets that go over the allowed limit. No waiting, just reject immediately. Traffic arrives at the router. If it exceeds the set rate, excess packets are dropped or remarked. Output rate stays within limits, but some traffic is lost. Think of it as turning cars back at a toll booth, if the lane is full. Shaping versus policing comparison. Here's a simple table of how they behave. Shaping buffers, excess traffic, introducing delay. Policing drops or marks excess, with no delay. Shaping has minimal packet loss and smooth output. Policing has possible loss and can spike. Shaping is typical for outbound 1. Policing enforces strict limits. Shaping output looks like a smooth, controlled flow, while policing looks more like a sawtooth pattern as data bursts try to exceed the limit. Right scenario. You have a T1 link at 1.544 Mbps. A file transfer tries to send at 3 Mbps. With traffic shaping, router queues extra packets. Sends them at approximately 1.5 Mbps steadily. User doesn't see big drops, just a slower transfer. With traffic policing, router drops packets over the 1.544 megabits per second limit. File transfer might stall or require retransmissions. Output stays under the bandwidth, but some data was lost. Final takeaway: bandwidth is the capacity of the line, the maximum data rate. Traffic shaping queues and smooths traffic to stay under the limit. Traffic policing enforces the limit by dropping or marking excess traffic. Thank you for watching IT Step by Step. Keep exploring networking, CCNA commands, and real-world lab tips, one step at a time. See you in the next one.